Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study data entry. Begin by understanding the core principles of data entry, which involves accurately inputting information into digital systems. Focus on recognizing different data formats, such as text, numerical values, and dates, to ensure proper categorization. Emphasize the critical role of data integrity, as even a small error can significantly impact reports and decisions. This foundational knowledge is essential for anyone starting their journey in this field. To excel in data entry, cultivate essential skills starting with typing proficiency. Aim for a speed of at least 40 words per minute with high accuracy, as this directly impacts productivity. Become adept at using spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, which are fundamental tools for organizing and manipulating data. Additionally, explore basic database management systems to understand how large datasets are structured and maintained. These tools are indispensable for daily tasks. Achieving high accuracy is paramount in data entry. Always double-check your work, perhaps by reviewing entries against source documents, to catch any mistakes before submission. Regularly engage with online typing tutors and specialized data entry practice exercises to refine both your speed and precision. Strive for an accuracy rate of 98% or better, as this demonstrates reliability and attention to detail. Consistent practice is key to mastering these crucial aspects. Data entry offers a gateway to diverse career opportunities across numerous sectors, including healthcare, finance, and retail. Many professionals begin in entry-level roles and can specialize in areas like medical coding or administrative support. With experience and further training, you can transition into more advanced positions such as data analysis, where you interpret complex datasets, or even data management, overseeing entire information systems. The field provides a solid foundation for long-term professional growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.